So over the past few years, we've finally seen regenerative medicine start to work. For example, we had the first Parkinson's patient treated with neurons put back, and a year later says, just come back from playing golf every day for a month. Sludge has gone in my life. I feel like I've rewound a decade. We've got partners treating things like vision loss, hearing loss, some of the core senses. Regenerative medicines have the potential to treat hundreds of millions of patients. But really the only blocker from these therapies getting to those patients is the fact they're produced manually. And that makes them extremely expensive and also really hard to scale.
There's a curative therapy that is prohibitively expensive. It may be withdrawn from the market because the market will not sustain the cost.
The science works, and now it's time for us to industrialize it. And automation is how we scale these therapies to the millions of patients that need them at low cost.
We need a new solution to manufacturing. And the best way is to start from scratch, to start with people who have expertise and energy in the area of automation, and to bring that together to create a completely new solution in manufacturing.
Our IDEM technology that sits at the heart of the CDMO is how we automate these processes. We're able to reduce the labor by an order of magnitude and the expensive cleanroom space needed per batch, and together these reduce the cost significantly. And now Mytos is launching the automated CDMO with a cell and gene therapy catalogue for our first site.
We bring some people who've got deep expertise in the field, and we also bring the physical facilities and experience that are necessary to knit all of these things together into that novel solution.
With our first automated suite, we're releasing batches to patients from September 2026. With IDEM, teams are able to translate from manual process to automated within just 3 runs.
For me, it's realization of 40 years of development of an absolute revolution in the way we treat disease. Go to your doctor, you need a repair, they order the repair, you go to your clinic, and that clinic then provides it because there is a constant supply generated from a CDMO like Mytos has.
The science works. Hundreds of millions of patients could benefit. It's time to industrialize these therapies, drive down the cost, and scale it to those patients that need it.